The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition (SE), unveiled in October 2024, represents a significant advancement in foldable smartphone technology. This premium device features an 8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X main display with a resolution of 1968 by 2184 pixels and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. The external screen measures 6.5 inches with a 1080 by 2520 pixel resolution, also supporting a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a seamless experience whether the device is folded or unfolded. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 SE is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, an octa-core chipset that includes a Cortex-X4 core clocked at 3.39 GHz, providing robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. This is complemented by 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, offering ample space and swift data access. The camera system is a standout feature, boasting a 200-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, capable of capturing highly detailed images. This is accompanied by a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 123-degree field of view, catering to diverse photography needs. For selfies, the device includes a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the main screen and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera on the cover screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 SE is equipped with a 4,400 mAh battery, supporting 25W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging, ensuring reliable power throughout the day. Design-wise, it impresses with its slim profile, measuring 10.6 millimeters in thickness when folded and weighing 236 grams, making it more portable than its predecessors. Connectivity options include 5G support and Wi-Fi 7, providing fast and reliable network connections. The device runs on Android with Samsung's One UI interface, offering a user-friendly experience. Notably, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 SE is currently available exclusively in South Korea and China, with a price point of approximately €1,870.